Hello YouTube, Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. This video right here is going to show you how you can start your own carpet cleaning business for around $2,000. $2,000 you can start making $100 a day. I mean $100 an hour, $100 a day. That wouldn't be too good with it, folks. About $100 an hour. This is all the equipment you need. I'm saying generally because you have carpet extractors that are really expensive, well over $2,000, and you have some, within the $1,500 range, which this one is. This is a Rotovac Enduro. Now, I'm not saying go out and get a Rotovac Enduro. Just when you're pricing, make sure you have, a good pump system on it, right? Hopefully it says 500 psi. Okay, and heat would be really helpful. So you put hot water in there. You fill this up with hot water. This one has heat too, so it'll actually heat it up. So heat's really good when it comes to cleaning. You can get portables used, online, eBay, and all that stuff. Just do a little research on it before you go ahead and buy it, and make sure it is a decent portable. Okay. Look at reviews and all that. Okay, so around $1,500, $1,600, you got a decent portable. Then you got a scrubber right here. Now this is what I'm using today. I have a CRV also, and I have hand scrubbers, right? But if you want to go ahead and make life a little easier as far as your pre-agitation, you get an orbiter, right? You can get these about $350. Then you got your pump-up sprayer right here. You mix your solutions in it. You spray your solutions down. You agitate, then you extract. So today I'm going to be doing my house. This is kind of like an updated video or a sequel to videos that I did, starting your own business for $2,000, starting your own business for $500. Well, this one right here is just showing you how to do it with a portable. And you can tell I've really been procrastinating on hitting these traffic areas in my house. We really take care of our carpets. We vacuum a lot. Actually, wife vacuums a lot. I can't take credit for that. So it's been a while, and it was bugging me. Today's my day off, and I figured, you know what, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to use my portable. I'm going to show people that it can be done. So, first off, I'm going to lay down my pre-spray. Now, I'm not selling any products, so I'm not even going to recommend a pre-spray. Okay, whatever you guys research and find and you think it's the best for you. Alright, so I'm actually doing the stairs, and I'm working my way out because the stairs are looking bad. So make sure you hit those lips really good, because that's where you get soiled the most downstairs. See if I can get some light here. A little better. Now, before I got my truck mount, this is how I was doing it. And there's a lot of people out there that are doing this. You want to start a carpet cleaning business, you don't have to jump straight into the truck mount. Take steps. I started off with a portable, made my way up toward a truck mount. Now this is for hot water extraction, all right? There's VLM guys out there that are more into doing VLM, and well, I do other videos on that too. But in this particular one, it's going to be about starting your own business for around $2,000, making $100 an hour. Carpet cleaning. There isn't too many businesses out there that you can start off with such a low budget and make that kind of money. So here's my day off, and my office is still available for appointments, so I got a call. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. So you don't need to put down too much. Chemistry is everything in this business. Make sure you got a decent carpet cleaning solution. Oops, I wasn't filming the one for the sprayer. Make sure you got a decent carpet cleaning solution. What it does is it pulls separates the soil from the fiber. That's what it does. Simple as that. By agitating it, it just helps break it up more. That way you get a better clean. I will show you agitation after I'm done pre-spraying. Let me get some light in here. So on the heavily soiled areas, a little bit more, right? A little bit more saturated. On the lightly soiled areas, less. Okay. All right, I'm going to continue pre-spraying the rest of this, then I'll continue with the agitation. So if you got a portable and you're feeling a little self-conscious about that when you walk into a customer's home, trust me, I did. But once you break out a machine like this and pre-scrub before, and they notice that, they're gonna say, well, I've never seen anybody do that before. I hear that all the time. I need to explain to them, pre-agitation makes for a cleaner carpet. Not a lot of carpet cleaners do that. Okay, I'm gonna finish scrubbing and start with some extraction. Kind of hard with one hand, bear with me guys, but you get the point. Make sure you get a good rinse, especially over that lip. Dry passes, that means no solution down, you're just going over and sucking up the moisture. So, that's the stairs. Alright, so that's the stairs. This tool right here cost me about, I don't know, 150 bucks online, eBay. It's not the most fanciest one, but it does the job, right? A lot of people can use upholstery tools to do stairs too. I just find it's quicker because you got more coverage with these things. I plan on getting a better one in the future, but you know what? That's for the future. Like I said, you don't need high dollar stuff to make good money or to start a carpet cleaning business. Okay, I'm gonna start with the floor now. Alright, all finished up. Turned out great. So, took me about an hour. It would have been about $100 to do what I did at minimum, 125 bucks. So you're making at least $100 an hour using the tools that I used. Pre-spray. The orbiter's outside. See if I can. Right there. The green brush. And the stair tool will be extra, right? Extra 150, 200 bucks, depending how good of quality you want. But you're still going to be right around that $2,000 range. Okay, so that's all you need. Now, if you don't have a tool for doing stairs, you can also use a bonnet and do low moisture on it when when you're doing the stairs. So you can swap out the green brush and put a bonnet on there, and then go back down in there and extract. Alright? Alright, so that's going to conclude it for this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe. Be sure to subscribe, because if you like this video, all my other videos are just teaching you the process more in depth as far as cleaning solutions and chemistry and pH and just everything you can think about as far as carpet cleaning and running your own business. So, $2,000 on your own carpet cleaning business, making $100 an hour. I mean, the customer's not going to just come to your door. You're going to have to go out and get them, door-to-door estimates or whatever. But I also do other videos on how to get clients. So, all right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next video.